This Toshiba spindle drive is used in the CNC servo motor control industry, machinery, automation, tooling, mills, and many other applications that requires spindle servo motor controlling applications.
We can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.